Good day, sir. Oral recitation in crimes against persons. In Article 246 and 266. Article 246. Parricide. 1. Person is killed. 2. Deceit killed by accused. And 3. Relationship. Deceit and accused father, mother, or child whether legitimate, legitimate or le, legitimate or a legitimate other ascendant or other descendant or the legitimate spouse. kind Kinds. 1. Bloodline direct. 2. Affinity legal spouses. Article 246. Dead or physical injuries inflicted under exceptional circumstances. Child killed by father. Less than 3 days old. Infanticide, parricide, dolo, culpa. Absolutory cause, excepting circumstance, by reason or public policy and sentiment. 1. Legally married person or parent surprises his spouse and his daughter later under 18 years old of age and living with him in act of committing sexual intercourse and other person. 2. He or she kills any or both of them and inflict upon any or both of them are serious physical injury in the act of immediately thereof there. And 3. He has not promoted and facilitated prosecution of his wife or daughter, or that he or she had not consistent to infidelity of the other spouse. Article 248. Murder, killing. Homicide, murder, dolo culpa, intent to kill. QC. Assents victim not given an opportunity to put up defense. 1. Puerility or ignominy, scoffing, criminal procedure, information, caption, murder, allegation, QC proven but illegit homicide. 1. Person killed. 2. Accused killed him. 2. Killing attempted by any of qualifying circumstances. For killing not parricide or infanticide. Qualifying circumstances. 1. With treachery, taking advantage of superiors' strength with the aid of armed men or employing means to where we know the depends or means of per person to ensure or afford impunity. 2. In the consideration of price, reward, or promises. 3. By means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, shipwreck, standing of vessel, derailment, or assault upon the reload fall airship by means of motor vehicle or with the use of any other means involving great waste and ruin. 4. On occasion of any of the calamities enumerated in the preceding paragraph or of an earthquake, eruption of volcano, destructive cyclone, great waste and ruin. 5. With evidence premeditation. 6. With cruelty by deliberately and inhumanly and meeting this suffering of the victim or outraging and scoffing of his person or corpse. Article 249. Homicide. 1. Person killed. To accuse him killed without any justifying circumstance. And 3. Accused by intention to kill, which is presumed for killing not attempted by any of qualifying circumstance of murder or by that of parricide or infanticide. Article 251. Death cause and tumultuous affray. 1. Several person. 2. The not composing group organized or common purpose of assaulting and attacking each other reciprocally. 3. Several person acquired and assault one another in confused and tumultuous manner for someone killed in course of rhyme. 5. Not ascertainable who actually killed decrease. 6. Person who inflicted serious physical injury or who used violence can be identified. Article 252 Physical injuries in cause and tumultuous affray. 1. Tumultuous affray. 2. Participant thereof suffers serious physical injury or physical injuries of a less serious nature only. 3. Person responsible not identified for all appearing to have used violation upon person of offended party are known. Article 253 Giving assistance to suicide. Act punishable as giving assistance to suicide by assisting another to commit suicide whether the suicide is consummated or not, by lending his assistance to another to commit suicide to extent of doing killing himself. Article 254 Discharge of firearms. 1. Offender discharge firearms against oral another or at another person. 2. Offender no intention to kill the person. Article 255 Infanticide. 1. Child kill. 2. Deceased child less than 3 days 72 hours of age. 3. Accused killed said child. Infanticide killing of any child less than 3 days of age, whether killer is parents or grandparents of any other relatives of child or stranger. Article 256 International Abortion. Ways of committing international abortion. 1. By using of any violence upon person of pregnant woman. 2. By acting but without using violence without consent of woman and administrating drugs or beverage upon such pregnant woman without her consent. 3. By acting by administering drugs or beverage with consent of pregnant woman. Elements. Pregnant woman. 2. Violation and exerted or drugs or beverage administered or that accused otherwise act upon such pregnant woman. 3. Result. Fetus dies either in womb or after having been expelled there from abortion extended. Article 257 An international abortion. 1. Pregnant woman. 2. Violation upon such pregnant woman without intending abortion. 3. Violence internationally exerted and 4. Result fetus dies either in womb after having been expelled therefrom. Article 262 Mutilation. By internationally mutilating another by depriving him either totally or partially of some essential organ for reproduction, castration, mutilation of organs necessary of generation such as penis or ovarium. B. Mutilation caused purposely or deliberately to deprive offended party of some essential organ of reproduction. 2. By intentionally making other mutilation, that is by looping or clipping or any parts of body of offended party other than essential organ for reproduction to deprive him of the part of his body. Article 260 Serious physical injury. Injured person, insane, imbecile, impotent, or blind and consequence of the physical injury inflicted. 2. Injured person losses the use of speech or the power of to hear or to smell or loses eye, a hand, a foot, on an arm or a leg, and B. Loses the use of any such member, or C. Becomes an incapacitated of the work and which we were there thereto for habitually engaged and consequence of the physical injury is inflicted. 3. Person injures injured. A. Becomes deformed, or B. Loses any other member of his body, or C. Loses use thereof, or D. Become ill or incapacitated for the performance of the work in which he was habitually engaged for more than 90 days, and consequence of the physical injury inflicted. For injured person, become ill of incapacitated of labor performed than 30 days, but must not be more than 90 days as result as the physical injuries inflicted. Article 264, administrating injurious substance or beverage. 1. Offender inflicted upon another any serious physical injury. 2. Done by knowingly administering to him any injurious substance or beverage, or by taking advantage of his weakness of mind or creditly. And 3. No intent to kill. Article 265. Less serious physical injuries. Qualified less than serious physical injuries. Physical injuries not described an SPI, incapacity for labor 10 or more days up to 30 days and requiring medical assistance for same period. QLSP. Manifest intent to kill or offend injured person, and adding ignominy to offense, and victim, parents, ascendant, guardians, curator, teachers, or person of rank or PIA not constituting direct assault. Article 22, Article 266, slight physical injuries and maltreatment. Kind of slight physical injuries. Incapacity of labor, room 1 to 9 days, or requiring medical attendance during the same period. 2. Physical injuries not preventing engaging in habitual work or not requiring medical assistance. And 3. Treatment not causing any injuries. Article 266, a rape. Paragraph by sexual intercourse. 1. Offender man. 2. Offender carnal knowledge of woman. 3. Circumstance A. By using force and intimidation, or B. When woman is deprived or reason of other unconscious, or C. By means of fraudulent machination and grave abuse of authority, or D. When woman is under 12 or of age or demented. Paragraph 2. By sexual assault. 1. Offender commits act of sexual assault. 2. Act of sexual assault. A. By inserting his penis into another person's mouth or anal of orifice. B. By inserting any instrument or object into a genital or anal orifice of other person. 3. Sexual act accomplished under circumstance mentioned in paragraph 1. Qualified rape. When by reason of an occasion of rape and homicide committed to victim under 18, offender is parents, ascendant, step-parent, guardians, relative, by constituting your or affinity within third civil degree of common law, spouse, and parents of victim. 3. Victim under custody of police or military authorities or any law enforcement of penal institution. Rape. And full view of husband, parents of any child of under relatives within third civil degree of consanguinity. 5. Victim. Religious engaged in legitimate religious vacation of calling in his personally known to be such an offender before or at the time of commission of crime. 6. Victim. Child before 7 years old of age. 7. Offenders know that he is afflicted with the HIV and age of any other sexually transmissible disease and virus or disease is then transmitted to victim. 8. Offender of any member of AFP and paramilitary units There or more PNP of any law enforcement agency or penal institution taking advantage of his position to facilitate commission of crime. 9. By reason of an occasion of rape, victim has suffered permanent physical mutilation of disability. 10. Offender know that pregnancy of offended party time of commission of crime. And 11. Offender knew of mental disability, emotional disorder, and or physical handicap of offender party at time of commission of crime. Other article under crimes against person, Article 250, penalty of frustrated parricide, murder, or homicide. Article 258, abortion practiced by the woman herself or by his parents. Article 259, abortion practiced by a physician or midwife and dispensing of abortive. Article 260, responsibility of a participant in a duel. Number 5, Article 261, challenging to a duel.